Hey everyone, this is Mr. Herbst here up at Carterville Junior High. I'm just doing a quick tutorial video on how to log into your school Google account. Now, if you're using your Chromebook, it should automatically prompt you to sign in once you are logging onto your Chromebook. That'll be right in the open window. However, if you're on another computer, you may not automatically be signed in. So we want to know how to do that. Or maybe you have another computer at home you're wanting to use to sign into your Google account. What you'll want to do is when you open up a Chrome browser like I have down here, that's the red, yellow, and green circle with the blue dot in the middle, you'll go ahead and click that Google Chrome icon. And then you'll come up here to the top right corner. You'll see usually Gmail, images, and these 9 dots that we like to call the waffle. Now, you can easily click Gmail, and if you're not signed in, it'll automatically prompt you to sign in. Now, I've already signed in here several times. You can tell I'm signed out by the way it says signed out here on the right-hand side of my name. However, we could easily use another account. And by doing that, it's going to give you the email. Students' emails are always going to be their first name, their last name, and then at cartervilleschools.org. We have a sample student account set up that I'm going to use today for example, but your students should be their given first name and last name at Carterville Schools, all lowercase and at Carterville Schools. So for example, there might be a John Smith at cartervilleschools.org. That could be a sample student account. However, our generic one for CJHS is going to be CJHS user, and that's what I'm going to use today. Go ahead and hit next. And then you'll enter your password. We highly recommend students use the password LIONS and then their 4-digit lunch code. If you don't know your student's 4-digit lunch code, you can contact the school's office or email any of the teachers and they will be able to get that for you. But CJHS user is the sample I'm going to use here today. We go ahead and hit next. And since I started out hitting Gmail in that upper right-hand corner, it's going to automatically log me into the CJHS user email. Okay, we can easily now open up a new tab here at the top by hitting the plus button. And then you can now go into the waffle, as we call it, and search for any of the Google apps here. You can go to Drive, Calendar, Sheets, Slides, Docs, Classroom, all the different apps that we'll be using this year in your different classes. An easy way to get to Classroom is right here again in the waffle. And you can click Classroom and you're automatically signed in. You don't have to sign in again once you are signed into either your Chromebook or your Google account in a Chrome browser. Okay, and you can easily click the teacher's class that you want to go into. If you need to add a new class, you can also do that right here by join class and then entering that class code there that the teacher provides you. Okay, but that is an easy way to log into your Google account. If you need to sign out, you just go up to your little user icon up here in the upper right, and then you go to sign out. So that's how you sign in and sign out of your Google account. Thanks, guys.